Happy Vlogmas! Episode 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me. I know it's been so long, but I'm like, I gotta get back into YouTube, so I'm gonna pause on TikTok. For my first episode, it is, what did I do? Got my hair done for the holidays, ran some errands, and Kyrie met Santa for the first time. And I vlogged the whole thing. Stay tuned to see Kyrie at Scarborough Town Center. Stay tuned for all of this and all of that, and I will be posting weekly. Happy Vlogmas, enjoy! It is Thursday, December 5th. I am getting my hair done finally. I always go back and forth. Do I want to go back to dark or go back to blonde? And going back to blonde. So pros and cons of going blonde. Con, you have to commit to a whole day getting your hair done. So my appointment's 12 to 5. So right now I'm gonna go to the salon. I'm gonna take you guys on the ride with me. I don't even have snacks. I'm gonna try to go to Starbucks before. $17 in this bag. Damn. Was the best $17 I've ever spent. How much she has? Okay, so she's telling me that I'm due for a haircut. Yes. And I think as long as it's not past my boobs. Oh my god. So like show me. So literally that's it. Oh my god, that's like okay. Okay, fine. I think this is it. Oh my god, it looks so good. That's the end. Like, there. Cut it before this. Why? That's like, right? That's very stressful. But basically, I got my hair done. This is how she looks. Do you like her? Cons of going blonde is the maintenance. You gotta spend a whole day at the salon. It's very expensive. Today for my trim, color, and style, it was $429, not including tip. Your hair just kind of dies. And I need to get a trim today. I really didn't want to get a trim, but I haven't gotten a haircut in a year. Oh, actually, that's why I'm taking this right now. So it is like week 2, taking Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummy with biotin. Now that I got my hair done, we could really see if this works, and you know, I'll keep you guys posted on that. Shout out to Elisa for getting it for me. If that's not in your budget, then do not go blonde. Pros of being blonde is just the way you look. It's literally that. Just a change. Today we are on the way to the Toronto Christmas market. Super excited, I go every year. We're gonna take you guys along for the ride, So tip, if you're going to the Christmas market, bundle up. I have a hat. Got my abs. Schnitzel house. What's in this?
See? There's 2 types of mustard.
Fire coming out of my ears.
Go over there, baby.
I just woke up. Obviously, it is putting up the tree day. I had no idea. Had I known, I would have gotten ready, but let's go. Push, Kai, come. Good boy. What's that? No, look, Kyrie. A tree. Oh. I'm about to run some errands. Goodbye, family. Yeah, I'm gonna fill these guys in. It has been like literally a month because Sophie's the best. Sophie, say hi to your fan. That's yours.
No money versus money.
It's the same price, man.
$5 extra.
Oh. Look at that. How cute. Shout out to Sophie. Wow. Kyrie, are we gonna go see Santa? We are on the way to Scarborough Town Center to get Kyrie's first photo with Santa. Hopefully the line isn't too long. How many people from Scarborough really want their pet's picture taken with Santa? Right?
Kyrie, pag you're gonna guard, papatay ka ng security.
English, Daddy.
Kyrie, you gotta behave or else you're gonna get shot there. And don't pee, eh?
Yeah, that's the thing. Kyrie's just...
He's good, eh?
Oh my god, he's like being the best dog
I
right
know,
now.
he's never like this in the car.
I think he's just
Because I'm
tired.
here, hello.
If you pee in the mall, I'm gonna tell everyone you're 5 months old. We're at Scarborough Town Center. They said, yeah, the big dogs. I hope you don't have to make an appointment of some sort. Yeah. Kyrie's at the mall. Kyrie's at the mall. Is he famous? Come on, let's go, Kai, let's go. Everyone's like, that's an aggressive dog. Kyrie, they think you're aggressive?
He's a rescue dog.
Kyrie, they call you aggressive?
Good job.
Stay. No, leave it. Leave it.
No one believes he's a puppy.
He is.
Are you a drooler? Don't embarrass us, eh? No, Mom, everyone relax.
Show it to them. How aggressive are you?
Dad, so basically we were in the walk-in line and they told us to go in the reservation line to get rid of us faster. Okay, Dad, you gotta be on top of it, man.
I am.
Oh, look behind him.
Am I getting paid?
You gotta be nice to Santa, eh? Santa's reindeer. Next! We're next! Santa, we got your reindeer. Yeah.
This is Santa. You're gonna sit, you can treat for him.
I'll sit with him. Where's Mother? Okay, look at Dad. Daddy, I didn't even know we were gonna be in the photo, but I guess we are. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe. 2020 is my year, I feel like, guys, so definitely hop on this before you know. I'm just kidding. But yeah, please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Don't share this video though. Share my other videos. Don't share this one, okay? Happy Vlogmas! Vlogmas, Vlogmas, Vlogmas. Ah, I keep saying Vlogmas. Vlogmas, Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas.